Do you want a competitive gaming setup that'll absolutely blow you away for just 750 bucks?
Our friends at Wano were nice enough to sponsor this video. I can't keep going.
All right. One. Do you want a professional game? Professional. It's gonna take me 8 tries. You guys ready? All right.
For those who want a really awesome desk, standing desk, and also just an awesome setup over, I didn't know where I was going with that.
Yeah, I'm like, he's gonna have to read that.
I didn't know where I was going with that.
Wait, do I have to spin around again?
Sure do.
Yep, I'll make it super simple.
I'm brewing up a lot sooner than I thought I was going to. There's something about this store, man. It makes the bowel movement go. If you guys want to see Jonah type without a thumb, people always ask, is it hard to build a gaming PC? The short answer is no. Why am I holding a Lego right now? So you're a broke boy, and you got 500 bucks to spend. How should I introduce this though? No, I'm just kidding.
I had 7 drives, 8 drives, 9 drives.
As many as you can fit.
1,000 drives.
All right.
So is this the other intro?
And then, so I guess when you say, but first a word from today's sponsor, open the door for him?
Yeah.
I was talking like walking to the car, but
Yeah.
we can do that.
We'll do it this way. Just follow us, Sean. Okay.
When are we opening the door?
We're opening a car door for him. That's the car door.
Sponsor segment.
So like, we're from today's sponsor, and I open the car door, and then it goes.
I hope we can walk and talk and time that well.
I believe it. All right.
Today is episode 4 of the Facebook Flip.
What?
This is your idea. I don't know. I don't know. I just know what profit we're at. Today is episode 4 of Flipping a Facebook PC, where we find a crappy PC on Facebook, we buy it, we attempt to fix it, and then sell it for more money.
I'm opening a door.
That's why I figured we should just open that door as the sponsor.
This could have been all done after the fact too. You know?
Yeah.
Movie.
I
magic.
was gonna suggest we just did that because of how close we were starting to cut it.
All right, Harry.
Hurry!
All right, here we go.
What is that?
What is that?
I don't think that's them.
That's a human being.
I don't think that's them.
What is that? Oh man. Woo. Shout out Ashley Furniture.
Shout out to Ashley.
Shout out to Ashley.
What's that, girl?
Wait, we love you, girl.
That could be Ashley right there. That thing that you just
Oh my god! Why did you double down?
He said, like, "What is that?"
All right, we're gonna get real far away.
It's just Mr. C. Mr. C for sure. Shout out Mr. C.
He did say so. He's meeting us right before he goes to do his job where he works till 8 p.m. He's a blue collar.
He's blue collar.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm gonna see.
Dylan, I will say, local market wise, this place sucks. It's not great. Basic market's pretty bad. And for those of you who want us to do Scrapyard Wars, I don't know if you really want that, guys, because our local market's a mess, but let us know down below if you actually want that. But we need to travel on location to somewhere else. Where are we gonna go, Jonah?
Detroit.
Detroit!
Oh.
Scrapyard Wars Detroit edition. You better be strapped.
And it is crazy to see how far Intel Arcus came. So that means I'm gonna redo that.
Come.
Come. Sand always. Sand always. Comic Sans always.
Yes.
And always, we hope you guys.
That's not what you normally
As
say.
always.
Yes, right. Okay.
Nah.
What was that? So now.
As always.
All right.
So now.
So now and always, I went from paint lick to Australia. All right. Speaking of licking paint, check out PCBros.tech because we'll keep you from doing that by buying a pre-built gaming PC so that you don't have to mess yours up.
And you can afford paint, or maybe the thought of building your own PC makes you want to lick paint. Buy a pre-built PCBros.tech. Use code ToastyBros on checkout. You'll save 3% on your next purchase. Try it, guys. You save more than you might think. See you guys later. Goodbye.